What are we doing over there? Tell them to pull their panties up.
You guys ready? You ready, Bob?
Yeah. Bob gets to shoot first. Once Bob goes, then the rest of us will.
Okay, as soon as Bob lights it up, then free for all.
All right.
My mag. Right there? Yes.
Ready? Good.
Take it.
That's me. Now hit the canister, the airbag thing.
I tried once.
Yeah, I know you did, slacker. I saw you miss.
Oh! Did you see that, Kurt? No. That was the airbag. Oh, I heard it.
That was me.
Right. Man, that airbag went off well. Well, that was cool.
There's the airbag.
Yeah, it was little.
Steve, you better get going, Bolt Boy. That incendiary stuff, you can see it flash in the tree.
That's cool. Yeah.
Clear in the floor.
Sweet. There's still a lot of Tannerite in the van. Driver's headlight.
Headlight's still there too.
Headlight, fender well.
The front tire fell off.
Oh, there goes one.
Who was that?
Right here, I think.
The other guy shoot.
That scared the shit out of me.
Headlight and middle. Probably.
Awesome. Is it right ready to go? Yeah, you just gotta pull it, pack it. I'll get some biscuit in it. Yeah, where we keeping it? Shit. Alright, pretty low right now. It'll work up, don't worry. Oh, it'll stop.
It'll stop.
It'll stop.
Oh, just to the right of it. dang van's got a couple gallons of gas. Nicholas, drop the mag on that.
Fire. What's wrong?
A lot of wind effect. You're talking about that range.
Ready to go.
Get the Tannerite off the fire. C-spot!
Oh, come on.
Go ahead, we're gonna go put the van out.
1 mag, 20 rounds.
Yep.
Go ahead, hold it tight.
You better hurry up.
Let it rip.
We're done. We got some shovels.
Sucker sure does.
There was one.
Oh, you can use a fire extinguisher.
Oh, where's the fire extinguisher?
In the back of the Mazda.
They're in the back seat of the car. It's a van, right?
In the van? Oh yeah.
Van.
Going around there.
No, the fire extinguishers are in the car.
I couldn't do it, and that fucking hurt.
Better hurry before the. Just to burn it.
It'll burn out soon enough.
No, it's like.